You were present here. Is the BJP confident today that, for 27 years, they'll this time be making a comeback?
Absolutely. It's going to be a wonderful comeback, as you can see. And finally, people of Delhi, voters of Delhi can see through this man who has absolutely been a charlatan. And they know him for who he is. He has made so many false promises. He lies more often than not. And so you can see the result of that people can see through him. And something that I predicted many years back, and I ran away from the party when I saw. I was the first one to leave Aam Aadmi Party, the first one to join India Against Corruption, even before it became a party. So I said this 10 years, 9 months back. This is what these people are all about. It's scary what the actual character is like. And now people can see it. You talk about pani half, maaf. Jab pani saaf hi nahi ho, to aap kya denge logon ko?
Ma'am, but in your campaign this time, we saw, you took the corruption allegations rather. It was the highlight. With the liquor policy scam, do you think it will turn out to be a defining factor today when the mandate...
Yeah, it is one of the defining factors, but the lack of civic amenities. Like I told you, water became a big issue. The heaps of garbage that you see around became a big issue. I actually went to Sangam Vihar and many JJ cluster areas, and women told me that instead of giving ek sharab ki bottle par ek aur sharab ki bottle, give us milk, give kids milk and another. They would have done better. So definitely sharab and sheesh mahal are huge issues. But the complete lack of amenities that you see is a huge factor.
So as you currently heard here from the BJP leader, they continue to say that, certainly the corruption allegations have been a highlight of their campaign, but they also say that the civic amenities, that the people on the ground are not getting, that will be one of the major reasons that today the Aam Aadmi Party government will be voted out of power. So certainly BJP here quite confident this time that they will be making a comeback. Over to you.